What are we, 8311?
Yep.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Yep. Oh. I went to tap it.
Oh my gosh. We're in an old school ship.
I did this a long time.
All right. Interior
Promenade View.
Promenade. Well, we were on Independence with this room before.
And this was a casino offer, so it was like a $20 upgrade from an interior room to this, so.
Look at this window here. And check out the promenade from up here. Look at this. All right. Oh, not really.
I know, you can't really see anything.
Right here by the stairs. So, yeah, promenade's way back in there. Well, this probably be a little bit quieter.
Yeah, the only time that I was really concerned is like the disco party, which I think ends at like 10 or 11. This is room 8311 aboard Mariner of the Seas. This is a promenade view interior room. So right when you enter the room, you have your wardrobe with some shelves, the safe, which at least from this angle looks to be a pretty good size. Just check it out. Yeah, that's a decent sized safe. I mean, it still wouldn't hold like a full laptop, but it's a decent size. And your life jackets. And then we have the TV with some extra storage and some drawers underneath. And then you have your lit vanity with some additional storage, some shelves underneath, the mirrored shelves on this side of the mirror, and your cooler. That is not cold at all. Then you actually have, I wouldn't call either of these a couch, but you have couch-like furniture here overlooking your promenade view. And then you've got the Royal King bed, which is two twins pushed together. On the way to the bathroom, we found the hair dryer in here, breakfast menu. So if you're unaware, you can hang this on your door the night before that you want the breakfast. You let them know what time you want the breakfast. Everything on this left side is included with your cruise fare. On the right side, there is a $77.95 per room charge for some of the more premium options. Also, we recommend that you tip the individual that brings you the food. But a really good included option, especially if you just want coffee in your room in the morning. And we did also notice that you can pull the TV out from the wall a little bit, and there is an unused outlet, which in this class of ship can be difficult to come by. And at the vanity, you have two standard American outlets, 120 volts. Then on the opposite side of the vanity, you have your 230 volt European outlet. And the last stop is the restroom. You've got your standard cruising tube shower with your toilet and a single lavatory.
This room seems a little bit smaller than a standard balcony room. I mean, what do you think compared to like even an interior room that you were just on in Harmony?
So I think the size, it feels similar. What I do like about this is that the bed is set up like a balcony room.
Yeah.
The way that the beds are set up on a true interior room, with it being on the wall opposite the door, it just makes it feel really small.
Right, right. So, I mean, it is nice that we have this little sitting area that you're currently sitting at. So that's nice.
And that concludes the room tour of room 8311 aboard Mariner of the Seas.